When you book a hotel room, you expect it to be clean. When you order supper, you expect it to be hot. So when your customers rent your vehicles, they expect it to not only be up and running, but well maintained, right? But are you managing these two aspects of your business to their fullest potential? Are you using the best tools to not only make this easiest on your operations, but best for your bottom line? This is where EMDECS's powerful rental manager helps you stay in control. EMDECS provides an all-inclusive system to keep all aspects of your business organized. From keeping track of available vehicles and automatic invoicing to on-time check-ins and checkouts, you can always stay up to date on all business fronts thanks to EMDECS's centralized overview. It helps streamline your business, allowing you to focus on scaling it further up. Let EMDECS simplify your workflows today. Head over to BrightOrder.co.uk to sign up for a free demo.